$1,000,000 chicken casserole in 90 seconds. Let's cook. Creamy, crunchy, weeknight easy. Perfect for busy home cooks. You need 2 to 3 cups cooked shredded chicken, 8 Oz cream cheese, 1 cup sour cream, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 1½ cups shredded sharp cheddar, 1½ cups crushed buttery crackers, 2 tablespoons melted butter, salt, pepper, and parsley. Preheat to 350 degrees or 175 degrees. In a large bowl, combine cream cheese, sour cream, and cream of chicken soup. Mix until completely smooth. Stir in shredded chicken and half the cheddar. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Grease a baking dish. Spread the mixture in an even layer. Top with the rest of the cheddar. Combine crushed crackers with melted butter. Cover the casserole with the buttery crumbs. Ready for the oven. Bake 30 to 35 minutes until bubbly and golden. Let it get that deep, toasty top. Rest a few minutes to set. Chop fresh parsley. Finish with a bright shower on top. Serve warm and watch it disappear. The casual pour shares simple drinks and good food with no fuss. Subscribe for easy cocktails, comfort food, and crowd pleasers.